Hello, kids. Welcome to the Ideal Moral Magic. Today's story is about a boy named Ravi. This story reminds us that being honest is always the right choice, even when we've made a mistake. So let's begin. Ravi loved going to school. He enjoyed drawing, playing with friends, and learning from his kind teachers. One day, Aarti brought a new shiny blue pencil to the class. Look at my new pencil, Aarti said happily. My father gave it to me yesterday. It had a beautiful flower shaped eraser on top. The eraser even smelled like a flower. The most interesting part was that a green light on the pencil lit up when you write with it. Ravi really liked that pencil. It was the most beautiful pencil he had ever seen. He wanted that pencil to draw in his book. During lunch break, Aarti left the pencil on her desk and went out to play. Ravi saw it and picked it up. Then he did not want to keep it back. So when no one was looking, he put it in his bag. After lunch, when Aarti came, she could not find her pencil. She became sad and her eyes filled with tears. Ma'am, I cannot find my new pencil, she said. The teacher asked the class, did anyone see Aarti's pencil? Ravi felt bad seeing Aarti's eyes filled with tears. He knew he had done something wrong. He was sad and got a little scared. Then he stood up and said nervously, Ma'am, I took the pencil. I am sorry. I know it was wrong to take something that was not mine. Here it is. He took out the pencil and gave it back to Aarti. The teacher patted Ravi on the shoulder and said, Ravi, I am proud of you for telling the truth. You made a mistake, but you were honest about it and corrected your action. Aarti smiled at Ravi. Thank you for giving it back, she said. From that day, Ravi and Aarti became even better friends. Ravi promised himself that he would never make such mistakes. Dear children, Ravi made a mistake but was brave enough to tell the truth. That's real honesty. If you ever do something wrong, don't hide it. Say sorry and make it right. That's how we become kind and good.